With Monster Bus? You want to go to Disneyland?
Yeah, Mom. See Monster Bus.
See Monster Bus. What else?
See Monster Bus, Mom.
Monster Bus. How about Mickey Mouse? You want to see Mickey Mouse?
Wait, Mom. I'm eating, Mom.
Ah, wait, you're eating. Okay.
Wait, I'm eating.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Oh no, the chocolates. Ah, oh no. Oh no, don't do that na. JC, what are you eating? Ay, the chocolate fell on the couch. Don't eat that anymore. Do you want to see Mickey Mouse? How about Lightning McQueen?
See your mom.
Yeah. And also Woody and Buzz. The one you saw on the movie Toy Story last night?
My toys say, Mom.
Yeah. Do you love that movie? JC? What movie did you watch last night?
Toys' wife, Mom.
Huh?
Toys' wife, Mom.
Mm-mm.
Toys' wife, Mom.
Yeah, alive. Toys are alive. JC? Do you love that ice cream? Whose ice cream is that?
Dizzy.
Hey, Days. She will get angry. You ate her ice cream. Oh no.
At school, Mom. School, Mom.
Ah, she's at school right now.
Bye-bye, Tay-Tay. Say bye-bye, Tay-Tay.
Okay.
Give me, Mom.
After that, you take a bath, okay? Ay, don't bite your hand kasi it's dirty. JC, after that, you take a bath, okay? Say opo. Say opo. Say opo. Psst. Say opo, ma'am. Ay, pagligo, ayaw na. You want to take a bath after that?
Don't we go, Mom?
Don't ligo.
Please, Mom. Please, Mom.
Yeah.
Please.
You're so messy na, oh. Your mouth, oh.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, you need to wash na after that, okay?